Hello, good morning to all. Myself Vatsla. I am deputy student of Amity Institute of Physiotherapy. My topic is prevalence of work-related musculoskeletal disorder and ergonomic risk factor among school teachers during COVID and lockdown. I worked under the guidance of Dr. Pankaj Kumar Malik, assistant professor of Amity Institute of Physiotherapy. Moving towards the introduction, as we all know, is a most significant and common occupational health problem these days and have a substantial impact on quality of life. School teachers are the major group in which we see high level of MSDs. MSD decreases the productivity rate because of leave, absenteeism, and early retirement. In this COVID and lockdown, teaching is done in a narrative condition in which teachers have to push themselves to physically, intellectually, and passionately to arrive at the targeted profitable targets. Which again have adverse effects on mental and physical health issues. If teachers will not get enough time for pain recovery, pain symptoms may aggravate and cause high level of absenteeism. In background, in this COVID and lockdown, the professional teaching went through changes to lead increase in teachers' activity. Therefore, teachers have to push themselves beyond their comfort zone at work to match new and unregulated working modes. AIMS aim to study the prevalence of work-related musculoskeletal disorder and ergonomic intervention among school teachers during COVID and lockdown. Objective was to identify work-related MSD and to determine the effect of ergonomic intervention among school teachers during COVID and lockdown. Methodology was offline survey on school teachers of Atal Adarsh Vidyalaya, Nagar. The sample size was 50. In inclusion criteria, all male and female teachers of primary, secondary, and senior secondary was included. Age range was 20 to 60. Working hour was 6 to 8, and working experience of at least 2 years. In exclusion criteria, anyone who denies the consent, any recent fracture, neurocondition, pregnant women, malignancy, recent undergone surgery, and participants will not be a part of other ongoing departmental research projects. Instruments which are required was oribromusculoskeletal screening questionnaire with 21 questions and ruler assessment worksheet. The procedure we went was 50 school teachers were selected on the basis of inclusion and exclusion criteria. They were explained with the whole procedure and the motive of the research. Then they informed to sign a consent form. After getting that consent form, subjects were asked to complete the OMSQ questionnaire. Then I assessed them on the ruler assessment worksheet. The results I get are given as follows: the mean value of working 6.72, mean value of standing teaching 4.13, mean value of sitting teaching 1.3, mean value of online teaching 0.85. Age frequencies are given as in the table, and sex we can see 44% of male and 56% of female. Ruler percentage, uh, red color denotes the highest one in 12% with 12% and needs the quick assessment and implement changes. Yellow color with 56 with medium risk and need changes soon. For 3 to 4 in green color where they need investigations and changes maybe. In OMSQ with green color with 42% at low risk, medium risk yellow color in 12% and red with high risk with 46%. Then the discussion portion, and this study is positive in above aspect, but it has a limited sample size, and the survey was done physically, so we cannot predict responses to be accurate perfectly. As in this, both male and females are included, but not in equal proportion, so it may also affect the study. Limitations was the uncooperative individuals, small sample size, and limited selection criteria. Future scope of this study was by including large sample size and different selection criteria, and more school teachers can be included. Conclusion: in this conclusion, female teachers are in risk more than males. Teacher who have a bad posture habit and further have chances of developing MSD. And mental awareness, posture alertness, yoga, and physical activity among school teachers influence the prevalence of WRMSDs and ergonomic risk factors in COVID and lockdown. These are the references, and thank you so much.